Hello everyone, and today we're just gonna bring back the Buckle Up for the People build one last time before it gets nerfed. I really hope you guys enjoy this. We're gonna make this intro short. Love you guys, and I'll see you in game.
Wait, just don't include that last game. And then, nah, I just
We just started that match.
Bro, how did Payday even get in the heart?
There's people. Let's actually stick.
Is he a tinker? I think he has tinker.
Yeah, maybe.
I'm not gonna take the ball again. There's one.
Make that.
In your eye? How did that happen? That must have hurt. They stuck it in your eye. Why did little bro teleport?
I'm gonna just free drop that. That's unsafe. This pallet's really unsafe.
Unsafe as in.
Yeah, I knew you were gonna double back there. Just break it, dude.
He's bloodlusting.
He double back. He's bloodlusting. Let's get out of here.
He might have brutal. That's in my brutal.
That was very fast breaking speed.
Oh yeah.
Alright, I get a break. No, I don't get a break. Do I? Do I?
Where you at?
I'm at the side of main. I'm at the side of main. I'm at the front now.
Why is Bill broken?
I don't know. Oh shit, he's bringing them over here.
Oh, I think it's an add-on. It's gonna be an add-on.
He just
Bill
sniped
just
Bill.
got fucking shit on.
William Will
Will
Overbeck just got shit on.
I just tried to open my Xbox and I just got fucking skill check.
William Will Overbeck. Why is he broken? I'm curious.
I think it's an add-on.
Oh shit, he's here. Welcome back.
Yeah, he was.
That was
just
interesting.
fucking- Yeah, or something like that.
A medkit add-on?
No, fucking unknown add-on.
Oh.
What?
Oh, you're chilling. You're chilling.
Joe. Why the fuck is he undetectable?
Where are you?
I'm in the building.
Alright, I'm main.
I'm cooked. There's no pallet here.
I think one of his clones. Where are you?
Main building in the theater. He's got fucking 360. I'm going into the front. Oh shit.
Fuck yeah.
He's gonna wait it. I'm gonna go like that.
I'll get you, my
He's gonna have to win.
Perfect.
Oh fuck, I wasn't paying attention.
Pay attention then. We do
He
this
fucked
again.
up, he fucked up.
I fully healed. I'm going to main.
Oh my god, no, he fucked up.
Coming over here. Fish. You'll never know. They
Dude,
just walk past us.
What's the segment?
I don't think it's the same person. The same person would be like,
No.
you know,
He's
this
way
guy
better
plays
than this.
way
He did
different.
not fall for 360 like that. How dare you accuse him of something, Isaac?
I just felt like
Yeah.
it because like, how do we get an
How do you
unknown
even-
in the person of their friend of a person? You know, it just feel. Oh, that's fucking.
He
what
is
is that?
unforeseen, that's why he was undetectable. He has unforeseen.
Yeah,
It's basically trail torment.
but he also has either overcharge. I don't know what it is.
Overcharge?
I don't know. Is overcharge or oppression or something like that?
I didn't kick a gym, did you?
Oh,
What is that? Oh, it's a flashbang.
Hello.
alright.
What's the signal?
Oh,
That's not very...
he has discordance.
Signal.
That has to be discordance.
We didn't bring proof. Oh my god, he's got true text. I say he got true text. He got true text, Isaac.
Nice.
This guy's buns. Isaac, what the freak are you
I
doing?
just fucking cooked.
Wait, he's a juicer, he's a juicer.
I'm a
Let
juicer.
him cook.
I dropped that early.
Why did you drop that?
Because it's
Not even
unsafe.
that.
It's unsafe if I don't drop it.
Oh yeah, that's a really back on it. And that's the same. Squirrel tentacles looking
I'm
at.
gonna instantly drop that.
Why'd you just invite me to Roblox?
Look, I'm gonna pre-drop every pallet on this map because they're all unsafe. They're all unsafe.
There's a
on that.
lot, but they're all unsafe.
Yeah.
It's like pocket, you know, there's a million pallets, but they're all unsafe.
I actually invited Jesse and Douglas to the party. Roblox.
No, you invited the whole party, actually.
Such a bitch ass. You are like worse than bitch ass.
Whoa. No more things to work. Please, sir. Appropriate invited.
Just hold
Give me a
W.
piece. Oh. Jay Robert. Who is that?
You don't know who Jay is?
I forgot. Oh wait.
360.
Oh, I'm a Stanford.
Oh my god.
You
He's a
remember you
juicer,
guys
yeah.
used to believe Jay Tavion the killer was the strongest dog around?
Yeah.
I'm a fucking juicer.
Set the point now.
Shut up.
Set the point now.
Isaac, you done Pokemon?
I can't tell. He's being weird. And I'm a fucking juicer, dude.
Nah, you're not a juicer. This guy just finds.
Oh,
You guys know,
okay.
right? Look how fast he is.
Joe, are you Sigma? Be honest.
What could I actually...
Took up.
The private server only has
No, the
same
stagger!
order.
The stagger. Wait.
Yo, this game looks bad. I want to play TSV.
He has no way out.
Are you good? How you get good, Jeff?
He has no way out.
Take
You're
a
welcome.
freaking hit, bro.
Oh, he's tunneling.
I'm running.
Don't worry.
He hasn't gotten a kill yet.
We can cook up.
Tunneling makes sense, because he hasn't gotten a kill.
Yeah,
Oh,
I
No, I hate
understand why
this
he's
game.
tunneling.
I
don't
hate
blame
this
him.
game already. I hate this game already.
Bro has no respect.
Get in the gate in your main right now. Let's
Open,
do one
open,
more
open.
play. One more play. Before we go.
Are you sure?
Yes. Oh. Alright. GG's. GG's. That was very fun match.
He had 14 days. He had 2 weeks on the game.
Damn.
But you're a mall.
Oh,
My life.
fucking hell, dude. Grim Pantry.
Oh, it's a nurse.
Oh, it's a nurse. Yeah.
Grounds.
Haunted grounds on nurse would be. Haunted grounds on nurse would be kind
Yeah,
of
because
crazy.
it's a special attack for me.
Yeah.
Maybe it's the Valor or Rhythm.
It's fucking haunted. It's why on nurse?
Gearboxes.
Oh, what the fuck? Wait, just go down for the memes. I love nurse. She's prestige. She has a prestige body. She has a prestige body. Oh,
I'm a nurse juicer. Look at it.
I'm really bad against nurse.
Me too. I hold myself.
I'm so bad against nurse.
Please. Don't get cooked for 24 seconds, alright? 24 seconds, that's all I need.
It's nurse, dude. I don't think I can do that.
Save my
Come on.
life. That double save
24
my life.
seconds is not a lot. That's all I ask of you. 24 seconds.
You're cheating.
I might be able to heal.
We told him the bitch.
Oh my god!
I'm such a forward, and it's probably a minor.
Scared the shit out of me.
Upstairs, upstairs. I'm a full bunch
Come on, it keeps me on my
Quietly
island.
through the door.
Break the asshole, nigga.
I'm going to hold this nurse, I'm telling you. I'm gonna hold it. Move gear up and I'm gonna hold it.
Oh, that was a good blink.
Steve is so loud.
Bro, turn me together. That's insane.
What the fuck is that?
I'm gonna go get down to cease by 10 racks just see if I could.
I'm just gonna finish this gen right in front of her.
Chico, no!
Clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it, clip it. Clip it.
She fell in
Clip
the
it, Shay.
hole. I clipped it.
Good.
I'm gonna try it on you, Jack.
Send that shit to me.
Chico, no!
Bro!
Can't really
Chest.
see that well because I'm behind the window, like the window's kinda in the
Yo,
way.
come over me.
Yeah, I didn't.
Early access are the
You can
same.
see the red light. You can see the red
I
light.
could
on
see it
mine.
perfectly.
That's
I
about
saw her slice. That's
Alright, that's-
Can you stop spamming?
Remember, that's an
Mine-
extra medkit we can use.
Mine's.
You look like a Grim and Ray
Mine's my
season.
Top 3 hard
Look on that,
smaster.
just see it, nigga was back.
That's easy as fuck, man.
No, Pinhead will play before we leave. Cause we haven't gotten one.
I
this
wanna
match.
get it. I wanna get
Alright, go ahead. Cause you haven't gotten one at all. I've done
I
them
raped
all.
your mom last night.
it. You! Get going!
I got you. Bang!
Smoking on that chat back.
She hasn't seen it.
I
Yeah,
just
this
Just
is
leave, I
actually
have to
the
leave.
best.
Really quick.
I'm
Get his
leaving,
blood
I'm
for it, get his
leaving.
blood.
For the love of God!
Get his blood for him!
No!
Yo,
What are the chances of that? What are the actual chances of that?
That's why she was playing with trash.
That's why she was playing. She wasn't even playing like trash. She's like,
No way.
name is Walter Hartwell.
How could we not hear her
oh god.
breathing?
I don't know.
This time around, another friend joined us.
It's the other one that got reworked.
Rex. No. Couch dead.
Speak of the devil. Really.
Hopefully this dog counters her.
Well,
Well, there. I'll do a play for you.
how'd she make
Never
that?
mind. You're on the
Hey, you
other
have to
side
go
of the
down
map.
so fast.
She has the lunge of Johnny Sins, I assume.
Oh?
No, but
Is she lagging or is that just me?
She's
yeah,
lagging.
she's lagging.
She has bad net. I hear evil. I see evil.
Nah,
No, I
she's
don't. I
evil.
see a
She's
Michaela. Oh,
Evil is innovation.
why is there... Dude, Pig has no chase music. Look at my stream. She has no chase music.
I don't want to listen to your game. My phone's too far.
I just put myself in the
running
dead
so far
zone.
away from you, Patrick.
What the fuck? What the fuck, man? She doesn't respect. She respected that.
Where you at?
BFOB tech. No, we don't.
Isaac, no.
No way.
Isaac got Dexter. Isaac got Dexter.
Take it.
Why do you have
Take
Dexter?
it.
I don't know, I just want Dexter. I just like having Dexter.
Oh. He's,
I'm coming.
Really? She went back, she got.
I hit
Me and Payday are running chase currently.
Oh my god!
Oh.
I cannot do
I did not
that.
see that first of all.
Dummy. Oh, she's coming for me. She's coming for you. I'll heal up. I'll try to heal up. Is Michaela coming for you, Payday?
No.
Yeah,
Okay. I'm gonna heal. Alright.
Oh, she hit that? The fuck is my ping? 66 is insane.
She has bad ping.
She has to make a choice.
Take it to my behind.
I'm gonna heal up on Michaela.
I'm out.
Thank God. Heal me up. Oh, why'd you? Oh, she's on me.
Animation fake. She did not fall for the animation fake. I'm good.
What the fuck? Payday, why you move?
I didn't move it up.
What is it? I just tried to. I don't know. That happened to you too. She has double gears.
I think
Says
she
what?
has 5 boxes now. It's so hard.
Oh fuck, I'm hitting second stage. I am hitting second stage. Yeah, I'm second.
Oh, chat.
This
She's coming for me. Fuck, I'm
Where's
dead.
she on? Oh, what is she on?
I need help.
why don't you have Streetwise?
I really
So I'm getting. It really does.
Have we gotten a single bubble for people this
Oh
game?
fuck, make a choice.
I told y'all she had to
Oh,
make a choice.
Vigil. Oh, Vigil's gonna help.
We can stick it. She can't grab you.
Oh, take it. Oh, fuck yes! Big whiffs?
Yo, why did
Chad, where are you? Chad, come on. Come in main. Chad, come in main.
I am, nigga.
Cover and grab. Yeah.
Or stun.
Recover 3 stars?
Payday died so
I
much.
didn't move. You're just ass.
The fuck you did? You kicked me off. You kicked me off.
No, you didn't heal me at all.
But yeah, the pick is glitched to where you don't hear the chase music for her. At least for
I
me.
do it.
I don't. Then let's finish main building gen. I don't know if main building gen's actually really safe though.
Nah.
Yeah, it's not. I'm dead. Unless you can come get me.
Never my watch.
I'm going to loop. Oh, I'm down. You're a god.
Holy shit.
Give me that distance. I'm heading to Shack. Yeah. She's first stage anyway.
Somebody drop shot. Who dropped shot? Was it you?
I didn't drop Shack. I didn't even loop Shack this entire match.
Then Michaela has Deli and
The pig really thinks she
Yeah,
can reach that.
she has Nelly off the record that hard. Yeah, that was dead hard.
Fuck! Damn it. Oh, there's a med kit right there.
396, she checked 9 pack.
Go get Michaela.
Cover. It's fucking Mikhail. I can see her aura. I can't. Second.
I can try to take chase for as long as I can. Oh fuck, she cut me off. I'm cooked. I'm in a dead zone.
Fuck out of the way. Imagine if Buckle had a cooldown.
360.
360. I'm dead. We got our value. That's all I care about. We got a shit ton. I mean, if you play DVD with
What
us,
is this Sigma is
but-
that, dude? This hat's just so basic and not spawning for me.
Taylor Swift likes to carry.
It's fine. She had. I told you she had pop.
Yeah, man.
That's going to be it for today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.